Hi, my name is Phyllis. I'm the production manager at Corcoran Commons, and today we are going to make a really healthy and delicious treat called Banana Bites. And we're featuring our Grandi Oats. They are from Maine and they come from a solar powered facility. So just to run through the ingredients with the cookie bite that we're going to make today, which is very, very simple and easy to do. You're going to have your oats. This is our dry ingredients of pea protein, salt, and cinnamon, sugar, shredded coconut. Our wet ingredients of maple syrup, water, and vanilla, banana, the riper the better, and chocolate chips. The first thing you want to do is either with a mixer, a blender, or a food processor, you want to mix your wet ingredients. And if you don't have either one of those, you can use your hands as well. It's, again, a very simple recipe. So we're going to put our banana in, and then our maple syrup, vanilla, and water. And we just want to mix that together first. So depending on what machine you're using will be the time. It's probably about 5 to 10 minutes. You just want to make sure the banana and all the wet ingredients are incorporated. So then your next step is to add your dry ingredients. So here we have our Grandi Oats, coconut, salt and sugar, pea protein, and cinnamon. And then again, you want to mix or fold in your ingredients. And you want to keep folding them in until it starts to almost form a ball and it looks like all the ingredients are combined. So you'll see it's starting to loosen up. So that's another about 5 minutes, and then you want to just add your chocolate chips in and just kind of want to fold those in until they're all combined. Alright, so now you have your cookie mix done. If you're preheating your oven, you should have it preheated to 350 right now. And what you want to do is scoop, using a portion scoop, an ice cream scoop, a spoon, your hands, scoop designated size cookie bites. This recipe with a 1 ounce scoop makes around 25 to 30. And you can scoop these and pre-freeze them and bake them off. You can scoop them and bake them and freeze them. Like we discussed, they're delicious, they're healthy, they're great for pre-energy workout bites because they have banana and protein, sugar, the maple syrup, and complex carbohydrate. So you'll scoop the amount of cookies you want, and then you're going to put them in your oven, 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so here you have it, your finished chocolate banana coconut bites, made again with our Grandi Oats from Maine. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoy the recipe. Thank you.